In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up your virtual summit and expo. The first thing is to sign into your dashboard. Once you sign into the dashboard, you will see four tabs here. Let me quickly go through each tab. The first one is the actual virtual expo. This is where you actually set up the name. So I put down Virtual Summit Made Easy, and that's the description. Also, you will see there's quite a few tabs here. One is the logo. That is something you will, it's your branding at the upper left corner. The second is the picture of your virtual expo or summit. As you can see on the network, this is exactly what it looks like. So once you actually set up, then you will go to Homepage Setup. Now these are a couple of tabs. You can actually fill out the information. That is something that you expect to see just like a regular physical show. You will provide a little bit more information about your events and things like that. Now there is a banner setup. You can actually set up the banners. You don't like the default in the banners. So let me just show you. So you can see
Welcome
that
to Virtual Summit and Expo.
this is the name of the network. We call the Virtual Expo Network, and this is the name we just put in. These are the tabs. You can actually fill out the information. Now on the pricing, this is where you can actually charge for your attendees, exhibitor, and sponsor. Just let me just quickly go through it. You can set up a one-time setup fee, or monthly, or quarterly, and annually. You can also set up the setup fee as well. We are fully integrated with PayPal. That's how we set up for the payment systems. It just makes it easier for you to set up if you want to do it for subscription model or membership model. All right, so that takes care of the setup, homepage setup. Now for the lobby setup, that's where you'll uh, set up the homepage, the lobby. So let me just show you what it looks like. Now here you can see that this is a lobby that you can actually set up for session track. We have another videos to show you how to set up a session track that you can have multiple speakers to present and so forth. For the exhibit hall, you can actually change the background image. So let me just go back. How you change it. So you go to theme selection and you will change, let's say I select this one, and you just do update. So you can see. So there you go. Just updated the background image. Uh, you can actually upload any background image you like, specifically tailored for your event or industries. Now I just want to touch on the lobby labels. This is where you can actually set up different labels in the lobby. Now you can see that we got like 5 labels. It's basically default. So one for exhibitor list, you can see right there. One is for special deal, and then I have a hangout schedules. So these are labels that actually is by default. Once you actually log into the dashboard the first time, you have these 5 labels already set up. You can always change it. You don't want any of them, you can always take it out. So right here, let's say you want to just, instead of saying special offers, you can just say announcements. And that should change it. So you can see that I just added the announcement there. All right, so that's how you can actually set up. It's pretty flexible. You can configure many different application tailored for your needs. One for training, one for Expo. All right, I hope that I've given you a quick overview on how to set up your home page and the lobby as well. Thank you.